Three golden rules for you to becoming a successful coach and dominate this coaching industry. Number 1, less is more. Number 2, faster results. And number 3, obsession to help others. Now I'm gonna explain all these 3 points. First point, less is more. I have seen, and you must be seeing around, that there are a lot of people creating a lot of course material, creating courses and selling it as if they are going to change the lives of their prospect. It doesn't happen. And globally, if you see, the ratio of consumption of all these pre-recorded videos are very, very less. So what you have to do is keep in mind your ultimate goal and make it into steps. And this step should be small, crisp, so that your customer consumes it faster and get the results. Now, let me tell you, if I ask you, I give you something for, let's say, $20,000, and I tell you that there are 200 videos and there are multiple hours of PDFs which you can go and consume to get your results. Compared to that, if I charge you, let's say, even $40,000 or $50,000, saying that there is one video, there is one PDF, and you just need to spend hardly 1 hour time to do it, which one would you prefer? So your audience or anybody in this world is by nature lazy. We want to work less and we want to get results faster. So you have to have this thing in your mind that less is more. You have to give less content, less work to your audience so that they consume, do, and then increase their growth. They grow faster actually. Number two is faster results. As I said, everybody is in a hurry to get results. They are least bothered whether you are giving a 20,000 rupees program or a 200 hours of video or 20 PDFs or whatever it may be. They are least bothered about what you are going to give. They are actually concerned about what are the results which they'll be getting, and they're ready to pay for it. Right? So the faster you can give results, the better you become a coach. Right? So for that, obviously you have to create a system. You have to have accountability so that people do work and they get results. Coming to point number 3, obsession to help. Never go on a coaching call to sell anything. Correct? What happens is, when you go with a mindset to self, you normally detach yourself from helping. It should be the other way around. You should be detaching yourself from sales and you should be going with a mindset to first help, see whether whatever they're looking for, you are able to give it to them or not, number 1. And if you can, if it meets, then qualify them. Qualify them on various parameters of they able to invest time, money, and they're ready to implement all those things which you are going to teach them. So if you keep this in mind, these 3 points, you can position yourself as a greater authority in this coaching niche, because result matters. And to do this, what you have to do? Simple. You have to be you. Number 1, be you. Be the original self. Promise only things which you have already done and then give them to the people whom they want. So you have to be ahead of somebody who was looking for something which you have already achieved. Right? Live the moment. That means if you have not done things in the past on your own, you cannot help others. So that would be a fake promise. Don't get into that route. Otherwise, if your reputation goes for a toss, it is very difficult to get it back. Right? And number 3, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you have done it for yourself. You can literally help others to do as well. So if you go with the conviction to help and be obsessed with helping without expecting anything, that will be the game changer for you to becoming a coach, which is going to impact and dominate the industry. Thank you.